Do you want to be a millionaire by the end of this year, 2024? So you are in the right place. Get ready to discover the 7 practices that will revolutionize your financial life. And stay with me until the end because the last 2 are the most important. These are not just common tips. They are the secret that took me from point A to point million. And the best part, anyone can follow these practices and achieve financial success. Isn't it incredible? We are talking about a transformation that will take you out of your comfort zone and put you on the path to wealth. Are you prepared to change your life forever? So, without further ado, let's go to the first step. The first fundamental practice to become a millionaire by 2024 is to be proactive. Being proactive means taking full responsibility for your actions, decisions, and financial results. Instead of waiting for things to happen, you need to take control of your financial life and act assertively to achieve your wealth goals. Think about the situation where you live with your family and money is scarce. If you spend your time lamenting the lack of resources or blaming others for the situation, you are only wasting energy that could be channeled into productive actions. Instead, be proactive. Take control of your financial situation and actively look for ways to improve it. One way to be proactive is to identify opportunities for extra income or investment. For example, you can start a side business, sell items you no longer use, look for profitable investments, or even look for ways to increase your income through additional skills like freelancing or consulting. Furthermore, being proactive also involves being disciplined and consistent in your financial actions. This means creating and following a financial plan, controlling your spending, saving regularly, and investing wisely. Remember, no one is going to build your wealth for you. If you really want to achieve millionaire status by 2024, you need to take responsibility for your own financial life and act proactively to achieve your goals. So, my recommendation is clear. Choose to be proactive. Assume your financial responsibilities, take concrete and persistent measures to improve your situation, and always be open to new opportunities and challenges. By doing this, you will be paving the way to financial success. Before I explain the second practice, if you are enjoying the content, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. This helps me bring more videos like this that will transform your life. The second essential practice to become a millionaire by 2024 is to visualize and start a project with a clear goal in mind. As the saying goes, if you don't know where you're going, any road will do. But for me, and I hope for you too, this is not acceptable. When I started my internet ventures, I had a clear goal in mind and I knew exactly where I wanted to go. It is crucial that you know what you want to achieve, regardless of the area in which you want to succeed. For example, if you dream of traveling the world, retiring your parents, or achieving financial independence, it's crucial to have that goal in mind from the beginning. One practice I recommend is writing your goals on paper and sticking them in a visible place, like on your bedroom wall. Even if it seems crazy to others, it will serve as a constant reminder of what you are working towards and motivate you to take the necessary actions to achieve your goals. Furthermore, when starting a project, it is important to have a clear and defined plan. Research the market potential, set tangible goals, and develop an action plan to achieve them. Don't be afraid to dream big and go after what you want. Remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It will require effort, dedication, and persistence. But if you keep your goals in mind and work tirelessly towards achieving them, I'm sure you can turn your dreams into reality. So commit to your goals, visualize your success, and start taking action right now. The path to becoming a millionaire starts with one step, and that step starts with you. The third crucial practice for achieving financial abundance is prioritization. Having clear and defined priorities is essential to direct your efforts and resources to what really matters, taking you closer to your goals and dreams. When I look back on my journey, I see how critical prioritization was to my success. Even though I faced difficulties at the beginning, I knew that I needed to focus on my projects and dreams to achieve the prosperity I wanted. I gave up activities like playing football and attending parties to dedicate my time and energy to my internet ventures. A crucial decision I made was turning down a job offer that wasn't aligned with my long-term goals. Although it could have provided some immediate financial return, I chose to prioritize my own projects, even if they were not currently generating profit. This choice was fundamental to my growth and subsequent success. It's easy to get lost in distractions and activities that don't take us closer to our goals. Parties, drinks, and entertainment may seem fun at the moment, but if they don't contribute to your personal and financial growth, it's important to rethink your priorities. So my message to you is clear. Have the courage to prioritize your goals and dreams above all else. Don't let yourself be distracted by activities that don't contribute to your progress. Invest your time, energy, and resources in things that bring you closer to your financial and personal goals. By adopting this prioritization mindset, you will be taking steady steps toward realizing your dreams of financial abundance. Remember, time is a precious resource. Use it wisely, focusing on what really matters to you. Now, man, I ask you a sincere question. What are you prioritizing? Will this take you somewhere? Are you prioritizing the right things? Answer honestly. Now, the fourth essential practice is synergy. Synergy is the ability to combine efforts and resources collaboratively to achieve better and more effective results than could be achieved individually. I will explain this to you with a practical example from my own experience. When I was starting my internet ventures, I realized that alone I would have limitations in terms of time, skills, and resources. It was then that I sought partnerships and collaborations with other people who had complementary skills to mine. By joining forces with other entrepreneurs, I was able to share knowledge, resources, and contacts, which significantly accelerated the growth of my business. Together, we can achieve results that would be impossible to achieve individually. But synergy isn't just limited to business partnerships. It can also be applied to other areas of life such as personal finance and personal development, which is what I talk about here. For example, you can form study groups or support networks with people who share similar interests and goals, which can motivate you, inspire you, and provide new opportunities for growth. Furthermore, synergy can be achieved within a team or organization where different talents and skills complement each other to achieve common goals. By recognizing and valuing the individual contributions of each team member, you can create a collaborative and productive environment that drives collective success. Synergy is a powerful tool that can enhance your financial and personal success. By collaborating with others, you can achieve greater, more meaningful results than you ever thought possible. So be open to cooperation, value teamwork, and harness the power of synergy on your journey toward financial abundance. The fifth crucial practice for achieving financial success is earning ethically and collaboratively. It is important to understand that true success is not achieved at the expense of others, but rather through collaboration and creating value for everyone involved. When you adopt a win-win mentality, where you seek benefits for both yourself and others, you create an environment of trust, respect, and cooperation that is fundamental to sustainable and lasting growth. A personal example I can share is my decision to share my knowledge and experience in online courses on how to make money on YouTube. While some people may have advised me not to do this for fear of increasing competition, I firmly believe that by helping others achieve success, I am also contributing to my own growth. By empowering others and making them more competent in the market, not only am I raising the level of professionalism and overall quality in the market, but I am also creating opportunities for future collaborations and partnerships that can benefit everyone involved. Furthermore, by adopting an abundance mindset, where I believe there are enough resources and opportunities for everyone, I am creating a positive cycle where one's success is not achieved at the expense of another's failure, but rather through cooperation and the creation of mutual value. So it's simple. Earn in an ethical, collaborative, and mutual benefit-oriented way. Be a bridge in the lives of others. Share your knowledge and help those around you achieve success. Remember, when you do good for others, you are also doing good for yourself, and the universe will pay you back double. Now my friend is in the penultimate practice. This is very important, man. Good communication, I know, is something that many people have difficulty with, and I too, in the beginning, was like that. But you know it's possible to improve this. For example, man, you have to be credible. You have to do the right thing. For example, if one day you are going to sell courses online or something that will help people's lives, you have to have good communication in your business. This is very important. It is fundamental. But here comes the other side of good communication. I know it's easier for us to express our ideas, but the other side comes, you have to know how to listen to others too. You have to talk less and listen more. I'm showing you the two sides of good communication. Check it out. When I was younger, I had to drop out of school, like I said. It was never easy in the beginning, but some people said to me, "Man, if you drop out of school, you won't have our support if my business were to wrong." I know I was upset, but I stopped to think, and I saw that some of those people, because there were few really, maybe 2 or 3, but I understood. I said, "Look, they didn't do what I want to do. They didn't get to where I want to go. It's not their fault. They don't know about these opportunities on the internet." So I saw that they were not to blame. They didn't know. They only wanted the best for me, for my future. But I couldn't blame them because they didn't know about these opportunities. Stop and think. Your parents won't say, "My son, go there, start a business on the internet and it will be successful." They don't know about these opportunities on the internet. They will recommend you a school or a job. They want to see you comfortable. Hey man, that's what good communication is about too. It's about recognizing and having humility that people who like you don't know about these opportunities. So man, I tell you, have good communication and know how to listen more. Now man, this last practice is the most important because without it, there is no way you can practice the rest. It's about refueling, recharging your energy. Know that it's not just about making money. We have to be well mentally, in health, and even spiritually well, of course, regardless of your religion. Look, consuming good content like this will take you to another level. Not to brag, but if you apply everything I told you, man, you will be able to become a millionaire in 2024. And watching good content, reading good books, having time for God, praying, meditating, and not wasting your time on futile things. And sleeping well, eating very well, exercising every day, having discipline and practicing good habits. Don't watch things that don't add value to your life, and know how to seek knowledge and new hobbies. And also, man, pay attention to your relationships, whether it's your parents, your brothers, if you're a man, your girlfriend, if you're a woman, your boyfriend. So pay attention, make time for them because this is very important. I want to tell you that these practices are not a gift. This is something that you have to acquire for your life over time. It is something that a person, when they are willing to change their life, absorb all this knowledge and practice it in their life every day, man, every day, because this is very important. It's like I said, and it's like I tell you, you don't need to be special to do this. And a good practice that you can do now is to leave a, like if this content helped you, and write on the channel, and leave your comment about what you thought. And remember to apply all of this, you will go to another level, and you will thank me in the future. But take everything I told you seriously, okay? And I'm here to help you.